Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. So in the last video, I featured this Abus 4145. I had taken the plate off, as you guys know. I showed you what was inside. I decided to make some changes to this 5-pinner. Notice the blue tape. That's custom work. You can't get that anywhere, only here. To maintain the integrity of actually picking the padlock, I wanted to have the plate back on because of that spring. It's very difficult for that plate to stay on. I tried a few different methods, short of drilling it out and screwing it in, right? But so I got it on here now, just in an attempt to pick the Revamped. Changed up some pins, key pins, springs, a few drivers, and of course a working key. Is it perfect? No. I used, I'd say it's 99%. I mean, the tolerances on Abus are pretty good. I used the pins out of a American kit. They seem to fit. There were some size discrepancies, but as you can see, we're in. So now comes the fun part of trying to pick this redo. And then hopefully this plate maintains its position. I could have just picked the core again, but I wanted to present it in its original capacity, so to speak. So what I did was I took a key from here and just use that exact same keyway. I'm sure this is going to be a tough pick for me. This keyway's it's very tiny. But we'll see what happens here. We went from, I can give you a little hint, we went from 4 security pins in the original to 9 security pins now. So let me try it from the bottom, see how that plays out. I know that's what's going to happen. It's going to slide over. That's why I didn't want to do that. Let's try this one here, maybe. I'm going to have to pop this up a little bit. I had trouble getting to that last pin, and see, that's what's going to continue to happen. I might have to go back to the top. Let's see if I can set it from the beginning the way I want it. It's just hard to get the pick in. Let's see. Yeah, it's just going to continue to slip. It's going to continue to slip. Let's try. You want to be comfortable when you're picking, right? So you find something that works for you. So we've got a 5-pinner now with some changes. If I can get it open, I'll show you the changes. Three. I think I'm going to lose this tensioner right now. All kinds of tensioners here. These are all homemade from broken picks. So, let's see. Homemade from broken picks. It definitely picks a lot different, I'll tell you that. Let's go right back to pin 5. Let's come back to pin 1 right underneath this tensioner. Make sure that I don't pop the tensioner out. It's always a possibility. And I got it. Yeah, definitely a different pick, guys. Trusty. That's how far away I was from losing that. That thing was bending on me. So, now we can laugh together as I pull the tape on this rebuilt Avis. I'll show you what I put inside. I'm sure Paul's going to be proud of my ability to put this lock back together. But, you know, some of us are busy shoveling snow. We just don't have that kind of time. I'm just saying. Okay, we don't have that skill either. So we've got the tape off. And we got ourselves a rebuilt Avis. Just pop that plate off, pop the spring off, pop the core off, and I'll pull the, this clip is really tight, so I'm going to get this off while it's in the locked position to minimize the rotation. I don't know if it's me, but I can't get a shim in this lock for the life of me, so I'm just going to let's see. Well, that didn't work out too good, did it? I think I fucked it up. Shit. You ever heard the expression, where the fuck was your head at? What were you thinking? Alright. Yeah, this is just getting better and better. Just getting better and better, kids. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so there's all the brand new pins. Okay. Everything needed to be picked. So we have serrated in 1, replacing the standard, serrated in 2, replacing the standard, serrated in 3, replacing the standard, serrated in 4, replacing the standard, and a standard in 5 only because it's a one cut and there's no serration available there. It's just too small, it wouldn't come into play. So let's see what we've got in position 1. Got a nice commercial serrated with a heavy copper spring. That's why I was struggling with that tensioner right at that first pin. I went again with the serrated in 2 with an original spring. You guessed it, serrated in 3. With the original spring. And then five, 4 are the original spools. The heavy copper spring in 5. And original spring in position 4, guys. That's the rebuild. Used a fairly nasty key, mind you. You guys can see that. Just look for the close-ups, guys. You know, I always provide the photos. I'll show you this key. Take a look at that. So that 5th pin with those gatekeepers in 2 and 3 had to go right up into the ceiling. 5-pinner, key matches. We're done here. Patience, practice, perseverance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the redo on this Avis, guys. Appreciate your support. Please hit the like button, leave a comment. Any questions, comments are all welcome. Thank you.